Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have got such a gorgeous summer design that I've done on my own nails today. So these are neon and like a layered stamping. So yeah, I really needed a mani to cheer me up because this cold has been going on for far too long. So you're going to need to have prepped your nails ready for a gel manicure, and I've already gone ahead and applied a base coat, a gel base coat, and cured that underneath my lamp. And I'm going to go in now with this Elite99 gel polish. It's really cool. You can use those diamonds that are in the cap. I have done a review on some of these polishes, but I recently purchased 4 more, this being one of them. So I wanted to try it out on my own nails. So obviously a brush doesn't come with it, so you're going to need like a fairly flat brush to apply this to your nails. It's quite difficult trying to get it neat around the cuticle area. But yeah, put like a nice thin first layer on and make sure that it's not, thicker at the end or anything like that. And once you've cured that, go in with the second layer. You won't need any more layers after this. And obviously make sure you seal that free edge as well by rubbing the brush across the bottom of the nail. And I've got out my much loved neon. So I've recently had these sent me. I have done a review on them. They're Chameleon glitters, the Freak Show. And the blue is Gnarly nails because they don't have a blue in the Freak Show. But like I say, if you want to check them out because they really are gorgeous neons, I've done a review on it. I will leave a link to it at the end of the video. So I'm just going to do like a 3-colour gradient. So you want to make sure you go over what you've done before. And you can see with this one that it even adds like that little bit of orange coming through as well. So it almost looks like you've used 4 colours. There you go, just zoom in. Probably should have put liquid latex around my fingers first. So yeah, so these are the colours that I've done on the rest of my nails. And you want to protect that before you move on. So I'm actually using a base coat, a gel base coat first before I go in with like a hollow top coat. I think this is actually a hollow polish, but it's like I just use it as like a bit of a blingy top coat just to add that little bit of sparkle. So there you go. Isn't that gorgeous? Now I'm going to get on to the stamping. So I've put some liquid latex around my nails. This is what it looks like. You can get it off eBay, I think for £1 or a bit more or something like that, or you can get it in like a big bottle, but I get it like that just because there's a brush actually in with it. So this is the stamping images that I'm going to be using, and I am still yet to get to grips to perfectly layer images up. Some ladies that I've seen do it with ease. And what I find frustrating is, which I'll show you in a moment, like obviously I can put this layer on fine, but it'll seem like I've layered it up, like, not layered it up, it'll seem like I've like put it on properly, and then there'll be a part of the image that's just off. So yeah, so if you could give me any tips or anything like that, if you can see where I'm going wrong, I would really appreciate that, because I do love this layered look. So you can see at the top there, it's like perfectly lined up, but on the bottom, that bottom left, is it left, right? Anyway, one of the bottom corners, it's off, and I don't quite know how to get rid of that basically. So I'm going to peel off the liquid latex. Now, some would clean up before adding the top coat, but I'm actually just going to add the top coat first because I find that I can take some of the stamping polish off. So I just make sure I don't go get it on my skin or anything like that. And for the thumbnail, I've added this slogan, which is "Life is too short, make it sparkly." So I could add more colours on my thumbnail. There you go. And then I'm just going to take this image here and put that probably a couple of times around the writing, just to incorporate the flower look into the thumbnail also. So I have gone ahead and cleaned up, believe it or not, off camera, and this is the end look. So I think this is perfect summer mani. If you love it too and want to recreate it, I'd love to see your recreation, so tag me in on Instagram at Gelulicious. And I just did a little shot outside, because I actually did these at night, so I had to put my light on, but it's just such a gorgeous, bright, awesome mani that I really hope that you'd like to Jelly Babes. So that is it for today. Please press that free subscribe button, and here's some of the videos, including the Chameleon freak show. So yeah, so take care, Jelly Babes. Bye.